easy language is really important for inclusion. It's important for people to be able to participate in society, and to be able to participate is a human right. So to have access to information is crucial for participation, because if you don't have access to the information, you can't participate. You don't know what to choose from, so therefore you cannot participate in elections. You can't make choices for your own life. And you cannot speak up. And we all have the right to be part of society. So therefore, easy language is so important for everyone to create a good society where all is included.